Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. And we're back here with another video. We have made it to day number 161 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, guys, we are shooting a 365 days series, okay? Pretty much 1 year where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. All right, we're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right, so go back and watch those previous videos in the beginning so you can kind of know where we started, and that way you can get up to speed on where we are right now. All right, so we're in day number 161 of this challenge. Let's go ahead and hop right to it. Okay, My Legion Secret, if you have no idea what that is, it's a email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. All right, now what separates the two is going to determine on how many accounts that you have. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret, they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. So if you only have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. Okay. If you have more than one account, you're going to have 200 leads, and then you're going to have 100 leads on that last account until you get someone to sign up underneath you. Okay. Just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now, guys. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic, guys, and I can tell you that it does work. These leads do convert, and it works great for me. All right, so I would recommend you guys getting started. But like I said, I come in every day. Just for myself, I come in every day and I send out emails every single night. Okay. I have 8 different accounts. Okay. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails every single day. And this is definitely something I would recommend to someone who's looking for the extra income. All right. So this is what your back office is going to look like. Okay. You're going to have these tabs coming across here. This is going to be your back office here. The only thing difference between yours and mine is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. All right. Now, there's going to be two ways to make money with My Legion Secret. All right. Number one is going to be promoting My Legion Secret itself. Okay. You can literally come in here, create an email, insert this link right here, which you'll have your own affiliate link. Insert that link into your email and click send, and then boom, you'll reach a lot of traffic so you can promote this service. All right, and you can end up earning income with just My Legion Secret itself. All right, so they do have some pre-written emails in here for you already. So you would just go to affiliates and then just go to the promo tools right here, and then just come down right here. There's going to be some free emails that you guys can send out. All right. So all you got to do is pretty much pick one, click on import affiliate email into the mailing system. What that's going to do, it's going to take us to the mailing system and it's going to import that email. Right. Just click on select all on your emails. Okay. And then you're going to come down here. And right here, as you can see, it's already populated the subject line for you. And then also it has populated the body of text right here. All right. So if you scroll down here, you will see that your affiliate link is also inserted here. Okay. So you got to come down here, click on perfect timing, and then boom, all you got to do is click on send now. All right. This email is going to go out to all of your subscribers on your list. And you will get traffic, you will get results, and you will get sales. Okay. If you come in and send the email out. Okay. So that's pretty much how easy it is to send out an email with the mailing system just by promoting the My Legion Secret system itself. Okay, so that's going to be one way, one popular way to earn income with My Legion Secrets. The next is using an affiliate network such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus. They got JV Zoo. They got Max Bounty. There's tons of different CPA networks out there that you can go that you can sign up for, and you can use their business opportunity offers to promote to this system. Okay, so I am picking ClickBank for this video series because I can tell you, out of promoting all of those, for some reason, the offers from ClickBank do respond. The leads from My Legion Seeker do respond to the ClickBank offers the best. Okay. So, in my history of sending out these emails, I can tell you that, ClickBank just works. All right. So, and that's what we're doing for this video series. Like I said, if you go back and watch those videos, you're going to be able to see that we are earning income with ClickBank. All right. So, but you can use whatever system that you like. These emails that are these leads that are coming into the back office, these people are business opportunity leads. Okay, so these, which that means is that these people care about making money online. Okay, so it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find a business opportunity offer that we can promote to this traffic. Okay, and that's how we're going to get conversions and then eventually get sales. All right, that's how you do it. Now, there's going to be three ways that you can send out an email in this mailing system. Number one is going to, create your own email. Okay, if you're good at ad copy and writing emails and just coming up with good stuff, you can pick out you an offer on ClickBank in the e-business e-marketing section, and you can create an email based around that offer. Okay, so that's one way that you can send out an email. The other way is going to be using some kind of email AI service or a chat GPT or something like that, where you can go and just basically tell it what you want it to do by creating an email based on the offer that you're promoting. The third way that you're going to be able to send out email is by using the free email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay. And that's where I would recommend you guys starting out at. So if you go to the e-business e-marketing section on ClickBank, you're going to be able to use some of those pre-written emails, okay, that are from the vendor. They do offer these emails because they know they convert. Okay. They work perfectly with the offer that you are promoting. All right. So I would recommend going and picking one of those offers and then using the free email swipes that they have. And it's usually they have around 20 different emails. So all you have to do is just copy and paste those over to the system, insert your affiliate link, and then just click on send, right? Kind of modify the email, make sure everything is spelled correctly, and make sure the email is ready to go. Okay. Now, if you go back and watch my previous videos, I do kind of go into detail on how easy it is, okay, to go find an offer on ClickBank, grab the email, and then paste it over. Okay, so you can go back and watch those previous videos if you need to, get more step by step instructions on how to do that. But I'll show you here. This is one of the emails that you can get. Email that's kind of like the one that you would get from using the free email swipes from the vendor. So pretty much, once you go and pick an offer, you're going to see the 20 written emails. Okay, they're all going to come with this subject line right here, and then also they have a body of text, and all you have to do is copy and paste it over to the system. Okay, super easy to do. And then as you can see, there's clickable links right here. And then when our prospects click on this link, it takes them to our affiliate page. And our affiliate page is a funnel. Okay, it does all the selling and telling for us. All right. So all we got to do is get our prospect to our affiliate link. Okay, that is just our number one job, is to get them to the affiliate link. Okay. Now once they get to the affiliate link, what they end up doing is they decide whether they want to start working and start making money for themselves. And then once they sign up and start making money, that's when we get paid. Okay. So that's how that works. All right. And then once they subscribe, okay, to our offer, okay, once they enter in their email address, what ends up happening, they get entered into a funnel and they get hit with emails every single day. Okay, so basically they enter into a follow-up sequence. That way, the vendor is actually doing all the work for us by getting the prospect back to us. Okay, by sending them emails every single day until they sign up. All right. Now, once these people sign up and they start working, okay, they enter a free trial, free 3-day trial. Once they complete that trial, they get billed for the program, okay, and that's when we get paid, okay. Not only do they get billed after three days, they get billed the next month as well, okay. So it does has a residual billing each and every month where the prospects gets billed, and we make money every single month from what we're promoting. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys how that works, what an email looks like, how easy it is to send out an email. Is very easy to do. All you're doing is copy and pasting emails. Okay. Now, if you can do that, okay, you can do this offer, guys. So, I mean, you can do this method, right? It's super easy to do. So we sent out our emails last night, late last night, and I wanted to come in and show you the results from last night's email. Okay. So today is the October the 6th or October the 5th, right? We're shooting for October the 5th. Okay. As you can see, it's the 5th right here. It just hit midnight, so that's why I went to the 6th, but it's actually, we're shooting this video for the 5th. And these are the results. What I like doing, guys, is the last 30 days so you can kind of see the algorithm. We'll switch back to daily, maybe later on in this video series. But right now, I like to do the last 30 days. That way you can see the algorithm and what to expect whenever you are promoting an offer on ClickBank. All right. So, guys, this is going to be like the last 30 days. As you can see, things have been pretty consistent. Um, as you can see, we have some sales where we have, a sale back to back. We may not get a sale one day, come back again, you get a sale back to back. We miss a day, come back to back. You get 2 days right here. And then right here, for the first time, we have gotten 4 sales in a row. Okay. So this right here lets me know that the algorithm is changing and we're starting to, the more emails we send out and the longer that we get involved, as long as we send out these emails, the longer we do this, okay, the closer we're going to get to maximizing our time and getting sales every single day. Okay, so as you can see, we got 4 sales in a row. Okay, now before we will get 3 sales in a row. Okay, every day we would get 3 sales, right? And then we may miss a day, may miss 2 days, and then we'll come back. We'll get a couple sales, and then we'll do another three days, right, in a row. Okay. Now this time, as you can see, for the first time, we got 4 sales in a row. Okay, which is really good. Okay, and that's telling me that the algorithm is changing. Okay, now we did go a point where we didn't get sales for 3 days right here, which is not typical. Okay, now in the beginning, it was typical because when you first start out, you're not going to get sales every single day. It's just going to take time, but you have to come in and stay committed. And then once you get past that beginning stage, then you start seeing sales a little bit more consistent. Now, I've seen people get sales within the first week, within the first month, maybe 2 or 3 months. But I noticed with myself, month 3 and 4 is when things start to take off as far as things being consistent. Okay. And that way, you're getting sales pretty much every day or every other day or every couple days, right? Okay. So, as you can see, like I said, the algorithm is changing. 4 days we got a sale right here, but we went 3 days without a sale. We came back on the fourth day and got a sale, and then we didn't get one the next day. But as you can see right here, guys, we got another 4 days in a row. Okay, that where we got a sale, which it's impressive, right? Because this means that we're moving in the right direction and we're taking a step forward. Now, check this out, guys. Now, after that 4 days, okay, we went a day without a sale, but then we came back again and hit another 4 days in a row. All right. So that's exciting, guys. This is just letting me know that the algorithm is changing. We're getting closer to getting more sales consistently. Eventually, I'm going to be looking for 5 sales in a row. 5 days, we're getting 5 sales in a row. And then also 6 days, and then the ultimate is 7 days where we're getting sales every single day. Okay, and we are on our way, guys. We're still in month number 5 of this video series, so we have not even got halfway there yet, guys. I'm excited. There's a lot of cool stuff that's going to be happening, and there's a lot of cool stuff that I want to show you guys. All right, but as you can see, we got 4 sales in a row. We did get a sale today, okay, which is really good, okay, and that made it number 4. All right. Now, tomorrow, I'm wondering what's going to happen. We did send out our emails tonight, so who knows? We may break another record and get another sale again for 5 sales in a row. I'm excited. So, if not, no biggie, because I kind of know the algorithm, guys. So, as you can see, we got 4 sales in a row right here, but then we went a day without one. So, I'm anxious to see what's going to happen tomorrow. But if not, I know that we have reached another milestone as far as sales. Like I said, it started with one day and then it went to 2 days right here. We've seen 3 days where we're getting sales back to back. And then now for the first time in month number 5, we've have gotten 4 sales in a row. Okay. So that's going to be the new norm now, right? We're going to be getting sales like that, because as you can see, we hit it right here and then we hit it right here. And now we just hit it right here. Okay. So that's 3 times in a row where we hit 4 sales. We got a sale every single day for 4 days, okay, which is really good. All right, so think that lets me know things are changing. So I just wanted to show you guys these results and show you that this stuff is real. Okay, this is not some kind of get rich quick scheme or anything like that. These are not fake screenshots. Okay, of me earning income. Okay, this is very real. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. I wanted to show you the results and show you that this stuff does work. All right. Now, if you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. So if you go below this video and click on the More tab, click on this tiny URL slash MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you to the My Legion secret landing page. Come here, guys, and if you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of people, a lot of testimonials, guys. There's other people making money with this thing. Okay. I'm not the only one earning income with this system, guys. There's other people doing it as well. Okay. So these are just tons of testimonials, guys. Just go down and look at some of this stuff. Like, this is just real screenshots and real people making money. All right. So just wanted to show you guys that. Just click on here where it says join MLGS now. Pay your $60 to get started and then $30 a month to keep the service. It is a no-brainer, guys. I would just recommend you guys getting started today. If you happen to get started today and join, send me a message, send me an email. I do have some bonus emails that I want to send you guys so that way you can hit the ground running and you can start making sales within your first week. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and how you guys can get started. I showed you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system, showed you what it's all about. I did show you the results from the emails that we sent out last night and also from the last 30 days. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I will be back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.